Hey beautiful people, it's your babe Priceless Clean Makeover again on a different bed to beauty. This time around is a bridal makeup and hair transformation. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know what you think about this transformation in the comment section. And for my host subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thanks for sticking around. All right, this is me all packed up and ready to travel down to Ntira Isialangwa in Abia State, Nigeria. I have already prayed and handed everything to God, and I'm traveling happily, as you can see. So, as an event vendor, be you hairstylist, makeup artist, nail tech, photographer, videographer, any event vendor you are at all, it is important that before you hit the road, that means like before you travel to any location of your job or services, you have to hand over your day to God so that everything will go smoothly. And also put in those people that you're going to render your services to, so that at the end of the day, all glory will be to God and the whole thing will be successful. So this is me loading up my bag, makeup box, and ready to hit the road, guys. So I decided to take some selfie video and to make sure I show you guys those I'm traveling with. Yeah, that's my husband by the side, on the driver's side, and this is me looking pretty because I know God got me. At the back of my seat is my student who is traveling down with me to glam my bride and to get her ready for her big day. And so we are hitting the road fearlessly because the location is quite too far from my studio location. And so I was just taking pictures and videos of what is happening on the road for recording sake, you understand, to give you people a kind of behind the scene effect, you know what I mean. So we are almost to the location. Like, this is the village we are traveling down to, and yeah, this is the compound. We finally got there, and the decoration people are all done. It's a traditional marriage, by the way, so they are all done with that traditional marriage and tradition effects, as you can see. So I just took the video shots and then went inside to meet my bride. This is how the compound and the decoration, everything is looking. And then after videoing, I had to sort for my bride because this is not why we are here. All right, meet my bride. And I love the fact that she was all smiley and ready in the mood. This is me styling her bridal hair and slicking it well to get that bridal hair effect. So the bride is a jovial person. I love that personality. She was just gisting with us all through. You cannot even imagine that this bridal was urgently booked. Like, it was in that bridal morning that she booked me. I had to start traveling down. So this is my assistant, my girl, doing her nails while I do the hair. So right here, I'm done with the hair and I'm beading it. My bride is giving Igbo bridal and she's happy with the hairstyling. We taught her some transitions and voila, we moved into the makeup session. I just cleaned her face with micellar water, applied my Dr. Rashell serum, applied my moisturizer, applied my sweat block, and applied my primer. Right now I'm applying my foundation and I'm using my beauty blender to damp it in. I just applied my pro concealer and I'm highlighting it. I'm applying blush and I'm doing my nose contouring. Right here I have presetted and I'm baking, and I moved over to brows. After outlining the brows with my all-time favorite gel liner from Karite, I'm concealing the brows. I move over to eyeshadow. I use my eyeshadow base and then apply the eyeshadow and move over to lippy. I'm just dusting off and doing my finishing touches, spraying it, and voila, bride is giving. Oh wow, see bride. This is beauty. See her, she's very happy with her glam. her hair session and her glam session was giving her goosebumps. She appreciated me and she was so happy with her. You can't even tell that she's a pregnant bride. See the glow and happiness on her face. It can only be priceless clean makeover. So guys, what do you think about this look? From head to toe, we give all-round beauty. We give your bridal a meaning. We give life to your bridals. This is her photo session time, and I'm also taking my time to do my thing while the professional photographers do their thing. I was just running through my bride from head to toe video, back and front. Look at the Ojogun. Okay, if you are not from Igbo, you will not understand, but this tribe, they give aura for aura. See bride now, even though she was just keeping it on a minimal due to her pregnancy, but she still glowed. She still maintained that Igbo tradition. Look at bride now. Bride is giving. Now meet the groom. The bride and the groom is giving Oldogu and the Loloya. They are wearing Isiago, a traditional attire for bride and groom. Bride is giving Aponao vibe. Ifenkili. Look at her smile. I won't touch you and you will not smile like this. If you feel my signature, you must be happy on your big day. Would you be rocking this bridal? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this bride on the comment section.
trendybeats.com. You're my melody, my sweet baby. The one where they make my heart go jim jim and shake body.
So after her photo session, she was called upon to come out and greet her people. This is called first outing. And in these bowls that her girls are carrying are eggs wrapped with foil. They are going to be following her to greet her people and to dance around selling those eggs there. So this is my bride rocking the stage, dancing like she's not even pregnant. It's the way she was jogging around and spraying perfumes, because this perfume pattern in England is the way a bride greets and shows, expresses her feelings, her happiness to her guests. She sprays perfume on each and every one while dancing. And so this umbrella stuff you are just seeing is the effigy of the bridal. So this is her dancing and looking for her guests to spray. While she sprays, the guests are allowed to spray her money like you are seeing. So she'll meet everyone and spray them perfume. Peradventure this perfume finishes, she's expected to get more perfume and continue spraying until she moves around and sprays everyone perfume. It's a form of greeting in Ngwa land. So she was just moving around, and she's not allowed to discriminate. Be you a vendor, be you anybody in this event, the bride must spray you perfume. And you are expected to buy those eggs that her ladies are selling, and that's her best girl holding the umbrella and following her around. And she was just enjoying her moment, dancing around, even though she's pregnant. That's how I love my brides to react. Feel your big day, forward energy. The bride was just doing her thing, and I love her vibe. So back to the bride vibing, and I am showing you all my handwork again. This time around, feel the glow. Skin is skinning, brows is browsing, makeup is makeuping, hair is hairing, bride is giving, and her energy is energy. See vibe now. Do you know that I was even the first person she sprayed this perfume? I received bridal blessing first before every other person that attended the occasion. So look at it now. See the skin work, see the brows, see the eyeshadow, the lip, the glow. I deliver, I no deliver. I know if it touch you and you know go smile and dance like this, because as your vendor, your makeup artist, I don't just make you up. I also make sure I support you emotionally and take pictures of you, that I will be the first to send to you so that you repost. I also make sure you are in the right mood to embrace your day. I also help you get dressed, become your hype queen and your content creator all in one package. So choosing me for your big day is choosing peace of mind. So please, if you like what you're seeing, share, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let it get to other people that want to watch my video. I love you guys. Thanks for sticking around. Bye.